Hi tubers, and thanks for tuning in. Today this is just a quick landscaping tip that you might find useful. This is the front of my lawn. It's about 150 feet and there's a swell between my lawn and the road. Some places it's as much as a foot. Now over the course of time I've been filling this in. I don't know how well the camera's picking it up, but I've been filling it in with some mulch and whatever I had, whatever materials I had. The beginning of this summer I had a friend of mine whose neighbor had a tree taken down, and to help us save a few dollars I agreed to take the wood, which I was able to use, and I cleaned up the wood chips that the tree service left behind, and this is where I dumped it. It worked out pretty good, but it wasn't enough. So through the use of the internet I found a tree service that was doing a job locally that are from out of the area, and they had to get rid of these chips. They agreed to drop off 2 loads, and this is what the first load looked like. I'm spreading this out, waiting for the second load to come, and once the second load gets here and I finish spreading that out, I'll show you what the final results look like. I could have used another truckload of these wood chips. I used some under the trees. I brought a couple of rail barrels to the chicken coop. That's about 600 feet to the back, and it's all uphill. And yesterday I cut and split a trailer load of wood. After that, I just didn't have the energy for another truckload. But this is what it looks like. I have it all spread out. I went behind those bushes. Well, they don't look like bushes now, they look like twigs. But I went behind there, and this is about a foot deep in some areas and 6 inches in others. This should keep the grass down, so I don't have to cut in that swell. I won't be getting the tractor deck hung up, and I won't have to weed whack in this area. And if those bushes do grow, I won't have to weed whack or cut around them. Where I filled in is a little higher than the lawn itself, and that's because this is going to mulch down, and it gives me that extra material. And I do have a little material, so if I do get some gaps, I can fill in and keep it as even as possible. I came about 6 inches behind those bushes, so if they do grow, I don't have to cut around them. I could just cut the lawn straight up and down. And this will save me a lot of time in the summer. Keep in mind, this costs $0. They do sell wood chips at lawn centers that are treated, but this is over 300 feet away from my house, so I don't have to worry about it. Now guys, this is a wrap. If you found this video useful, let me know by posting your comments down below and giving it a like. And if you haven't done so already, subscribe. Just hit that button right on top over here, that Josie button. Yep, you got it, that button right there. Just hit that button and you'll be subscribed to my channel. Well everyone, that's a wrap. And as always, stay safe until next time.